Many users are unsure how to connect the Silent Pod to the network. Don't worry, this video will guide you step by step through the network setup. Method 1. QR code setup. Step 1. Restart the Silent Pod. Press and hold the control knob screen for a few seconds. The pod has restarted. Step 2. Activate pairing mode. The panel will activate a Wi-Fi network starting with SC. Step 3. Connect to WLAN. Go to phone settings and connect to the Wi-Fi network starting with SC. Then enter the password 12345678. Step 4. Scan the QR code. Open your phone's camera and scan the QR code to access the network setup page. If your device cannot scan, manual network setup is recommended. Enter this address into your browser and access the network. Step 5. Submit network information. On the setup page, enter the exact Wi-Fi network name and password you want to connect to. Click Submit to complete the setup. When the Wi-Fi icon turns green and the time shows in white, the network is connected and you can remotely control the Silent Pod. A red Wi-Fi icon means connection failed. Orange indicates an unstable network. This concludes the full setup process for the Silent Pod network. If you encounter any other issues, please refer to our other tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.